Hello ma'am, in this video I will show you that how you can add a new lead or you can capture a new lead. So once you're logged in into your CRM, click on the leads module here. Under leads module here under action, click on new. This will open a template. Now enter the details you want to enter for any particular lead. And then click on address here, then click on plus icon, enter the address you want to add, and in case you don't have any street address and that, then you can directly select the country and then state and then city and then click on save. So this is how you can add or capture a new lead in the CRM.